Okay, we are now in lesson 10, how to use gradient hatch. Note, use gradient hatch to color an object with a color of varying intensity. So we need to draw two circles, but before you draw two circles, make sure you are in the correct layer outline. So please do check and see. Now it is layer hatch. Can we switch back to layer outline? So I click the down arrow here and I come back to layer outline. I click on the word outline. Okay, let's draw two circles. This is the circle command. I have a choice. I can use center radius method or center diameter method. Okay, I'm going to use the center radius method and draw two circles. Click anywhere on the screen, drag a little bit and click. One more circle, click. Try to look for the center. If you can't find the center, move the cursor around, you will see the center. Click on this center, drag a little bit and click. So we have two circles here. So we have to do a gradient hatch. The gradient hatch is also found in the hatch icon. I'm going to click on hatch icon. I get my dialog box, but in the dialog box there is a gradient tab. Here I click on gradient tab and I'm going to add pick a point. Click on pick a point button and click a point between these two circles. And then I press enter and I can preview the object. I click once again and OK. If you need to change it to a different pattern, let's say I want to take this pattern, you can do that and preview it one more time. Yeah, this looks much nicer. I click again and I click OK to accept it. So this is gradient hatch. You have exercise at the lower part of the page. Why don't you try it?